Exercise 4. Interview about the earthquake. Look at the pie charts and listen to the short interview about the earthquake. Write down the percentages you hear. Last May 2001, an earthquake hit Nanaimo. We did some research on the local people about their feeling about earthquakes. We asked 2 questions. The first one was, do you feel that local schools are adequately prepared for an earthquake? 28% said yes. 32% of people said that they didn't know. 40% said no. The second question was, do you have an earthquake emergency kit in your home? 32% said yes. 4% said that they were not sure. 64% said no.